Hello there, guys. This is Mislav, and today we are going to talk about the touch command. So what is the touch command? The touch command is used for two things. The first thing you can do with the touch command is you can use it to create a new file. So if I wanted to create a new file, I could just write touch and the new file name, press enter, and I would actually create a new file. Okay. And let's say that I press enter, type in ls, I can see that I have a new file right here. But let's use the lsl on the new file, and let's see the last modified time. So basically this file was last modified on March 3rd, 1855, okay? And now it's 1856, so I press enter again, and I see that this file was last modified on March 3rd, 1855. But if I run touch again and press enter, it is actually not going to overwrite the old file, but it is just going to change the time of the last modification. So if I type enter, I will see that I get March 3rd, 1856. Okay, so if I run touch again, it doesn't overwrite the old file, it just actually changes the timestamp when the file was last modified. Okay, so thank you for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next one. Talk soon, and also don't forget to subscribe.